Hi, I'm Mike McSorley. I work for Nvidia and here to show you Nvidia Geforce Now. And Geforce Now is a service that streams a high-end GeForce GTX gaming experience to millions of PCs and Macs that otherwise wouldn't be able to run these high-end PC games. So let's take a look at what it looks like here. In this particular demo, we're showing Tomb Raider on a MacBook. And you can see this is a high-end PC gaming experience. This is 1080p 60, and this is streamed from an Nvidia data center hundreds of miles away. And you can see these are full settings. This is a great PC gaming experience that otherwise wouldn't be available on this platform. And how it would work was a user would actually join our program. Right now, we're going to have an early access beta program launching in March, which will be free. And you'll basically go on, launch a thin client on your Mac or your PC, and you're going to be able to access a virtual machine that has all of these gaming platforms pre-installed on it. Steam, Uplay, Origin, pretty much any game that you've purchased online, you can quickly log in, launch and play these games with streaming from this high-end gaming server. So we're going to take a look a little bit more at this game here. And like I said, pretty much any game that you've purchased already on an existing platform, you should be able to log in. You're going to get your game saves, you're going to get multiplayer, and you're going to get pretty much anything that you would get on a high-end GeForce gaming PC, now available on Macs and ultralight PCs, notebooks, desktops, you name it.
So what will be the price once this is beyond beta?
So we've announced some initial pricing. Some of the prices that were thrown around were $25 for 20 hours of service. We will have additional pricing plans that might include multiple performance tiers, where if you don't need a super high-end 1080p gaming experience, we might be able to have something that's a little bit cheaper and more affordable for you if you're streaming something a little lower resolution.
Fantastic. And what's been the user feedback so far? Have you had users try it out, and what have they said?
Absolutely, it's been great. I mean, we've had a number of Mac users that have come here and tried it and not believe that they could play all of these games. That some of these, PC games are not even available on any Mac platform, and this is a great way for them to kind of get into PC gaming or have more options in how they play their PC games.
So which type of Mac devices or Apple devices can this be played on?
Right now, the client itself will run on any MacBook or iMac desktop. Really, it's just notebooks and desktops are the primary focus for this, mostly because the experience itself is keyboard and mouse, and so it'd be really difficult to play some of these games on a tablet or a phone. There are a number of other solutions that we have from Geforce Now that kind of address that problem, and we can kind of go into those details later if you want them.